policy application control. By the end of this training, you'll be able to enable application control and integrate an ordered layer to our policy. The Checkpoint Application Control Software Blade provides the industry's strongest application security and identity control to organizations of all sizes. It enables IT teams to easily create granular policies based on users or groups to identify, block, or limit usage of over 4,800 web applications and 300,000 widgets. The Application Control Software Blade is a key component of the Secure Web Gateway appliance. In other words, it means that you can add applications to your rule base. So basically it means if a user is accessing and now the destination, it's not going to be an IP address, but it's going to be an application or a widget or even a URL category such as gambling, you'll be able to block it. Easy as that. We allow our customers to integrate the application control blade within their policy, or they can create an ordered layer with another set of rules specific for application control. What is an ordered layer? When the gateway matches a rule in a layer, it starts to evaluate the rules in the next layer. If this is our policy, if we found a match and the match is accept, we'll need to go to the second layer, in this case the web control layer, and search for another match, whatever it's going to be. And if you want to have a successful connection, you need to win both rounds. You need to have a match on both layers. Of course, the match needs to be accept. And then it's like playing a video game. Again, you have to win both layers if you want to win the game. You have to win all levels. Now, in order to do this demonstration, you will need Smart Console access. You'll need to know your organizational needs. And you'll need the right license for application control. In this case, I'm running with an eval license, so I'm good to go. This is my policy. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to enable application control on the gateway. Now, here on the service and application, I still can't add anything like social media, for example. Nothing. So what I'll need to do, I'll need to add a layer. I'll need to go to policy settings. I currently only have one layer. I'm going to add a new layer. I'm going to call it application control. I'm going to enable application and URL filtering, and I can remove the firewall blade. Press OK. And OK. Now remember, every traffic, even if it's SSH, needs to find a match on both layers. So if I'll have SSH traffic, I still need to have a match for it here. So I'm going to make it some sort of a blacklist, meaning I'm going to block specific applications and I'm going to allow everything else. So I'm going to change my cleanup to accept, actually, with track. And I'm going to make it simple. Source can be any, but under service and applications, wow, here, let's do gambling. Let's do bot, anonymizers. Okay, this will be URL categories. I'm gonna, of course, I want some logs. Next, applications. Let's add some social media. Next is application. So let's add Facebook. Maybe Twitter. And I'm going to add an inform message. Maybe I can tell the user listen, and I'm going to add inform with any message that I want. I can add more applications, and I can really play around with that. Okay, I'm good to go. Let me go ahead and install the policy. And we're good. We've successfully added an order layer with applications to our policy.
Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.